Welcome to 1660 Arborwood Drive, a beautifully renovated 4+1 bedroom tribute-built home with 4 washrooms situated on a premium-sized 154-foot deep lot in a highly sought-after neighbourhood of North Oshawa's Taunton community. Featuring a lower brick exterior, a double-car garage, plus an east-facing front porch and entrance, hardwood steps from the sunken foyer lead up to the main level's reception area, and half walls with decor columns grace the entry into the living room. This entertaining space is brightened with pot lighting and natural light through south-facing windows, complete with custom Roman blinds, light also spilling into the living room through the foyer's glass-paneled entry doors, transom, and accent window, all which have scrolled wrought iron inserts. The main level has 9-foot smooth ceilings, new hardwood flooring in the living, dining, and family rooms, as well as upgraded tiled flooring throughout the remaining spaces. The dining room additionally showcasing an octagonal-shaped coffered ceiling with modern pendant lighting and south-facing windows as well. Generously sized principal rooms with an open concept layout make this an ideal home for entertaining, while a neutral decor, striking accents, and beautiful light fixtures bring an aura of elegance to each room. Some of which include contrasting colors adding depth to the west wall, custom Roman blinds on the windows in the family room, which also has a stainless steel fireplace surrounded by a floor-to-ceiling mosaic tiled facade, as well as a feature wall papered with a stunning modern arabesque design, plus a modern pendant light in the breakfast area. The stunning custom kitchen showcases both a standalone and a walk-in pantry to complement crisp white cabinetry featuring upgraded hardware, extended height uppers, overhead and undermount balance lighting, and crown moldings, has a stainless steel double sink, French door fridge, oven, range hood, and dishwasher, as well as the beautiful finishing touch of new quartz counters and backsplashes. Pot lighting also brightens the family room, kitchen, and the breakfast area. The sliding door walkout here opening to a small deck convenient for wintertime barbecuing, and which steps down to a large private backyard with new fencing on the north and west sides, as well as a fabulous outdoor entertaining oasis showcasing a new above-ground pool, a custom cabana, and a new deck. The main level also features a double coat closet in the reception area, a powder room with a floating vanity and striking accent wall, as well as a laundry room with a washer and dryer, cabinetry and closet storage, and a staircase to the lower level, off of which is access to the garage. The garage access also provides a separate entrance to the lower level's apartment, which has a sound-insulated ceiling, oversized above-grade windows and pot lighting, a recreation area with broadloom, a gas fireplace, and a kitchen, a bedroom with an oversized closet, as well as a 4-piece washroom. To both the mid and upper levels are oak hardwood stairs and railings with wrought iron pickets, and at mid-level is the incredibly spacious second family room, which showcases a soaring vaulted ceiling with a fan, double-stacked east-facing windows, and new hardwood flooring. Hardwood flooring also flows throughout the upper level, the flooring in the master suite, as well as the 3rd and 4th bedrooms newly updated. All 4 bedrooms enjoy abundant natural brightness, the 4th bedroom having an east-facing exposure and a double closet, this and the 3rd bedroom also featuring modern ceiling fans, and sharing access to an updated 4-piece washroom with pocket door entries, a tiled floor and bath area, and a vanity with a quartz counter. With the third bedroom having ample closet storage and a south-facing exposure. Both the upper hallway and the second bedroom are additionally brightened with pot lighting. The second bedroom also featuring a double closet, north-facing windows, and ample space for sitting or study areas. The very spacious master suite has a double door entry, a walk-in closet, an upgraded light fixture, and large west-facing windows with backyard views. Its newly renovated ensuite washroom having a spa-like aura and showcasing a walk-in linen closet, upgraded tiled finishes, a pocket door entry, a vanity with a quartz counter, double basins, and upgraded lighting, as well as a glass shower with a stone-top seat, a rainfall shower, and an accent pot light. Located in a very family-minded neighbourhood, within a short walk is Norman G. Powers Public, St. Kateri Tekakwitha Catholic Elementary, and Maxwell Heights Secondary Schools. Neighbourhood green spaces and walking trails, the Smart Centre's Oshawa Shopping Mall, and public transit are also within walking distance, while conservation areas, golf courses, post-secondary campuses, and access to major highways are all just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.